Welcome back everybody. In this video we're going to create the health pickups. So by the end of this tutorial our enemies will be dropping small little orange hearts to heal our player. Alright, so let's create that right now. So first of all I'll go inside of my sprites folder and drag and drop my orange hearts into the game. I'll then add a box collider to the component to it and I'll set it to trigger. I will now create and add the health pickup script to it. Then double click on it to open it up. So first of all we're going to create the void on trigger enter to the function to be able to detect collisions. We'll then check if the collision object has the tag of player. So if our health pickup has collided with our player, then we want to heal the player of a certain amount. So to do that, I'm going to go inside of the player script and create a heal function. So right at the bottom, I'm going to create a public void function called heal, and it's going to take in as a parameter a integer called heal amount. So this function will simply take our health variable and add to it our heal amount. But we also need to be careful that the health variable does not exceed 5. So to make sure that it doesn't, we're going to create a if statement checking if the health plus the heal amount is greater than 5. So if health plus heal amount is greater than 5, then instead of saying health plus equals heal amount, we'll simply set health equal to 5. And then we'll put this line of code here inside of the else statement. Once we have healed our player, we will call the update health UI function and we will pass in our health variable. We can now save the script and go back inside of our health pickup. At the top of the script, I will create a player variable called player script, and then inside of the void start function, I will set the player script variable equal to the game object that has the tag of player, and then I will get the player component on that object. Then inside of my if statement, I'll call the heal function on the player script, and then we have to pass in a heal amount value. For that, I'll create a public variable of type integer called heal amount. I will then pass in that heal amount variable as the parameter. Once we have healed the player, we can just destroy this pickup by saying destroy game object. Alright, perfect. Now we will save the script and go back inside of Unity. Okay, so now I will choose a heal amount value, so I'll just select 1 for now. Then I will rename the object to health pickup. After that, I will drag and drop my health pickup into my prefabs folder. Once we have made a prefab out of it, we can safely delete it from the scene. Now we will have to select every single one of our enemies, but for now I'll just show you the example on the melee enemy. We then have to go inside of the pickups array and add one element to the array. And then we can simply drag and drop the health pickup onto that new slot. Again, if you want more chance that a health pickup shows up, we can add a couple more slots and then fill it up with more health pickups. We can now press the play button and test this out. Alright, so we've got full health, and now we're going to purposely take some damage. Alright, perfect. So as you can see, we've got some health pickups showing up, so let's finish killing these enemies. Alright, awesome. Now let's pick up this health pickup, and perfect, we can see that they're healing us. Alright, so for now the pickup chance variable is affecting the chance to get a weapon and also a health pickup. But you might want to have two separate variables. One pickup chance variable for the weapons and another pickup chance variable, but this time for the health pickups. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Then all we have to do is create a public integer variable called health pickup chance, and then a public game object called health pickup. So when the enemy dies, we are running all the codes to instantiate a weapon pickup. So to do the same for the health pickup, we are first of all going to create a new random number. So I will call it int rand health, and it will be equal to random.range between 0 and 101, exactly like we did up here. Then we will check if the random health variable is less than the health pickup chance, and if it is, then we want to instantiate our health pickup at the position and rotation of the enemy. And there we go, it's as simple as that, guys. Now we can save the script and modify the variables inside of Unity. Okay, so now we can remove the last 3 health pickup variables from the pickups array. So I'll just say 5 for the size, and that should remove the last 3 ones. Now we can select a custom health pickup chance that will be different from the pickup chance. So I'll choose something like 50, and then we can just drag and drop our health pickup into the respective slots. So I'll go inside my prefabs folder and drag and drop my orange hearts into that slot. Awesome. Okay, so you could choose any method that you would like. You can either decide that the pickup chance variable affects the weapons and also the health pickups, or you can split it into two variables, one only for the weapons and one only for the health pickups. We're going to choose this method right here because it gives a little bit more control. Anyway, great job guys for finishing this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you very soon.